New this morning, the Supreme Court once again issuing a temporary pause on a Texas immigration law. The law would give local authorities the power to arrest migrants suspected of crossing the border illegally.
The order came just minutes after the high court's self-imposed deadline on Monday, creating a moment of confusion over the law's status. CBS News' Jared Hill has more from New York.
Texas's sweeping immigration law on hold yet again by the high court. Justice Samuel Alito indefinitely extended the pause on Texas Law SB 4. It would let state and local law enforcement stop, jail, and prosecute migrants accused of entering the U.S. illegally. State judges would also be able to order migrants back across the southern border. The Department of Justice argues it's unconstitutional, overstepping federal immigration law.
Texas very simply is enforcing the laws that are the policy of the United States Congress.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott defended SB 4 in a recent interview with CBS 60 Minutes.
As governor of the state of Texas, I have the authority to control ingress and egress to any land in the state of Texas.
Last night, he posted on social media that despite the Supreme Court's action, quote, Texas is still using its authority to arrest illegal immigrants for criminal trespass and other violations of law. As the legal battle over SB 4 continues in the courts, some local law enforcement officials, like Webb County Sheriff Martin Guayar, are concerned they're not equipped to carry out the law.
We're not immigration officers, and we have to get trained to make sure that we are following the rule of the law.
CBS News has reached out to several Texas law enforcement agencies who said they're hoping to get state guidance and training in the event that the law is allowed to take effect. Jared Hill, CBS News.
The Border Patrol reports a record high number of encounters, 2.4 million during the last fiscal year. And as you know, immigration and the border crisis is a huge political issue this presidential election year.
A CBS News poll released earlier this month showed that nearly half of Americans believe the situation at the border is a crisis, while another 30% say it is very serious.